Hello Year 1, welcome to your literacy learning for Monday the 19th of October 2020. This week we've got a new book that we're going to be looking at together. The book is called You Choose. You should have a copy of the pages of the book in your home learning pack if you collected that from school. If not and you're using Purple Mash, there is a copy of the book set as a to-do, but I'm going to read it through with you now. So let's start with our story. You choose. If you could go anywhere, where would you go? Have a look at the pages. What can you see? I can see lots of different places that you could go. She's saying, let's go to the jungle. I want to see the city. We've got all the different places. We've got deserts, we've got volcanoes, we've got forests, we've got cities, all sorts of places. Have a think. Maybe ask your family, where would they want to go if you could go anywhere in the whole world? Who would you like for family and friends? This little girl here, she's saying, I want her to be my friend. He's asking, can he be my grandpa? Have a think. If you could live with anybody in your house or anybody, who would you want to be your family and friends? What kind of home would you choose? Wow, look at all of the different houses on here. We've got castles, we've got flats and skyscrapers, we've got alien spaceships, we've got terrace houses, we've got a mushroom house, a caravan, a lighthouse, we've got mansions, we've got everything. What kind of home would you choose? And what would you put in it? So what different things would you put inside of your house? I can see lots of things that I would like inside my house. Take time to have a quick look at this picture. Would you travel with wheels or wings? Or perhaps choose one of these other things. So if you were travelling, meaning if you were going somewhere, how would you travel? Would you travel by car, by horse, by helicopter, by plane, by broomstick, by camel? Have a think, how would you get there? And when you got tired and felt like a snooze, where would you choose? Good night. Oh, we've got a coffin there. We've got the big bad wolf from our book from last week. What would you wear? Wow, there's lots of fantastic clothes. Choose some shoes and perhaps a hat. Why not get yourself a pet? Or two, or three, or more. Wow, I've got my favourite animal there, tiger. I think I'd like a pet tiger. Is there a job that you'd like to do? Have a quick look. Different jobs you have. And that's the end of our story. It's one of my favourite stories because it really allows us to have a think about what we would choose if we could have the option, what different things we would like. So today we're going to be thinking about using nouns. It's a very posh word. Noun is just another word for a person, a place, or an object, or a thing. So that could be anything that is listed in this picture. Have a look around you now in your home. See if you can find a noun, an example of a noun. There might be the table next to you. You might have a pen or pencil next to you. You might see your sister across the room. She's a girl, so that would be classed as a noun. Nouns are used to label things, objects, people, places and things. Okay? So, today we're going to be working on labelling using our nouns, and you will have a sheet that looks like this. If you're using your paper pack, you will have a paper copy and you will have a word map that looks like this. If you are using Purple Mash, you will have the same sheet and you'll be typing in your answers, but you will also have a little box like this to the side which has got your words to help you find the different objects. So we're going to have a go at doing a few together first of all. So I'm going to look at my first label. I'm thinking, what's it pointing to? Have a look at my word map. Is it a teddy? Is it a phone? No. Is it a television? Is it a drum? Yes, I know that it is a drum. So I'm going to put the word, oh, it's a bit too big. Put drum. Copy my word map. I'm going to put the word drum. Can you see? Drum. Then I'm going to do my next one. This time I'm pointing at this arrow. What's the arrow pointing at? I know that's a cat. Now I could use my word maps, but I think you might be able to sound this one out yourself. So again, I'm going to sound out the word cat. K-a-t. Make sure you use your sound maps. Got my cat labelled and my drum labelled. Let's see what the next one we could do. Ooh, this one. What do I think that is? Looks like a dish or maybe a bowl. Let's look for the bowl sound. Bowl begins with a B. That's my D, so it's not that one. K, so it's not that one. Ch, no. T, T. That's that PH, so I know it's that F sound. P, B. There it is, there's the bowl. So again, I could type in bowl. I'm following my B, O, W, U, bowl. Now I've done 3 examples for you. I think you could have a go at doing this yourself. Take your time to follow the arrow. What object is it pointing to? Find it on your word maps, or if you're on Purple Mash, have a look at the box in the left-hand side. It will help you work out the answer. Can't wait to see how you get on with your labelling. And we're going to check and see who can remember that super word. What is a noun? Good luck.